And we're back with another $2 one. The last $2 one's a dog, but now we got a cat. So we just want to match any of the symbols. Or we got 2 numbers that we need, and we want to see if we got any winners from these. So let's see what our winning numbers are. 7, 12. That's 21. That's a 20. Let's see here. 6, 3, 22, 13, 14, 4, 2, 5. Does not appear to be another winner. That's okay. It's only $2. And we're gonna go to our trusty app just to double check if I missed one. Let's scan right here. Nope. We got another loser, but that's okay. Catch you guys in the next one.